I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're ready to begin. Make sure your iPhone 15 and the display are on the same Wi-Fi network so AirPlay can find the target. Next, enable AirPlay on the TV or Apple TV and note the device name shown. Now, swipe down from the top right of your iPhone to open Control Center, tap Screen Mirroring, and select the device name. Doing this starts the secure connection. If a code appears on the TV, enter it on your iPhone to verify and proceed. Once connected, fine-tune settings for a smooth experience. If a code was requested earlier, enter it now to complete pairing, and then confirm the connection in Control Center. To change orientation or display scale, use display and brightness and rotate the phone. Most apps auto-adjust, but you can lock rotation if needed. If you need audio from the phone or an app, open the Control Center audio card and choose the TV as output. These steps ensure both video and sound mirror correctly. To end mirroring, open Control Center and tap Stop Mirroring, or simply disconnect the AirPlay device in the list. This cleanly returns your iPhone to normal display. If you notice lag, make sure both devices are near the router or switch to the 5 GHz band to reduce interference, and close background apps on the iPhone. If mirroring fails or asks for code repeatedly, restart both the iPhone and the TV or Apple TV. Then repeat the pairing steps. This often clears lingering permission or network.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.